Patterns can be repeated pictures in a line. This pattern is apple, cherries, then apple. To continue this pattern, do you add an apple or cherries? The pattern is apple, cherries, apple, cherries, apple, cherries.
मैचिंग करनी है, मतलब हमारे पास इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है 1, तो हमें इसके अंदर
Patterns are repeated. Explore and discuss these repeated patterns. Select a pattern to explore. This pattern is blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. This pattern is chick, rabbit, chick, rabbit, chick, rabbit. This pattern is sock, hat, sock, hat, sock, hat. Spotting patterns can help us when we are doing maths. Sometimes things look like they are in a pattern. Then something is added and it is not a pattern anymore. This is not a pattern. Select the repeated pattern. This pattern is repeated. Look out for patterns around school, on your way home, and at home. Select the picture with a repeating pattern.
Well done!
The pattern is bucket, spade, bucket, spade, bucket, spade. Select the picture with a repeating pattern.
thumbs up.
Great pattern spotting!
Now third activity
The pattern is car, plane, car, plane, car, plane. Select the picture with a repeating pattern. Good spot! The pattern is dog, cat, dog, cat, dog, cat. Select the picture with a repeating pattern. Good spot! The pattern is flower, 3-leaf clover, flower, 3-leaf clover, flower, 3-leaf clover. What is the next picture in this pattern? Drag and drop the correct answer into the box.
thumbs up कर दीजिए. अब हमारे पास
Great pattern spotting!
के ऊपर कुछ नंबर
The pattern is flag, ball, flag, ball, flag, ball. What is the next picture in this pattern? Drag and drop the correct answer into the box.
Well done!
The pattern is hat, Wellington boot, hat, Wellington boot, hat, Wellington boot. What is the next picture in this pattern? Drag and drop the correct answer into the box. Excellent! The pattern is pencil, sharpener, pencil, sharpener, pencil, sharpener.
now
What is the next picture in this pattern? Drag and drop the correct answer into the box. Excellent! The pattern is toothbrush, toothpaste, toothbrush, toothpaste, toothbrush, toothpaste.